Hello, today I'll show you how to make abacha without Akanwu. Is Akanwu good or bad? Read this. Pour water in your abacha to wash it. Wash it a few times to make sure it's very clean and free from sand. We'll be adding more to this delicious abacha we're making today, so cook your more until soft. Slice the pomo into small chunks. So these are the other remaining ingredients for today's delicious abacha. Move on and prepare all your ingredients. Cut your onions, pepper, wash your dry fish and your one. While we watch, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you. So add your onions to the palm oil that's already hot. Next, add the sliced uwa and mix everything. Next, add your crayfish to the pot. Add your fresh ogiri. It gives it that taste. Then you add uda. Afterwards, you add your uwa, some people call it Abacha. Mix everything very well. And then add your dry fish and mix it again. Afterwards, you add your fresh pepper. I've got it already here, so mix your fresh pepper. Mix very well and cook for about 5 minutes. Pour abacha to a pot. Pour all what we have mixed into the abacha. Mix everything thoroughly. I will not miss to add Cameroon pepper. Add 2 spoons of no-broth mix to the abacha. Slice your garden egg and add it to the abacha. This is optional. Now we have everything in one pot, mixed very well, and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. Now we have, and the abacha is ready. We didn't use Akanwu at all. So yummy. Serve the abacha, and abacha can be a party meal at here. Think about it. Now garnish it the way you want it. We did it! We made abacha without Akanwu. Wow! Thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.